Hey, I'm so excited about what I did Friday. I thought I would share it on my journal just to show what I was doing. I'm not recommending it for anyone else. Um, this is just for educational purposes. Um, I it is hard to decide whether to take a um, breakout or fade a reversal at key support resistance areas, especially when you have a yesterday close sitting right there, knowing how easy that gap run would be. So most of the time, I sit out of the market waiting for a response and a pullback before making a decision on making a trade. And often that pullback never happens in crude, it just runs and runs and runs, and you sit and wait for a pullback that never occurs. So I've been missing out on a lot of trades, like this one just took off. Here was a pullback for an entry, but those pullbacks tend to start breaking down the trades, stopping you out. But that initial break run is what is so profitable in crude. You never know it's going to be 10 cents or a dollar. I mean, it can just race and then stop. Um, so I started using this cumulative delta with my painted momentum indicators, candlesticks rather. So I've got the SMI2 painted for direction momentum. Instead of it open close, it's momentum. So I want all the I want the cumulative delta and the SMI2 to be the same color, and I want the candles to close before entering. Here's an example of cumulative delta. Some buyers came in, but the momentum was still down. So I noticed that if I put two different times up that are kind of close in time but different, it even betters my odds of success. I want all three to be in confluence. And I'll play this to let you know um, how much the market was confused at this area. I got a cumulative delta signal before the momentum, and then the cumulative delta disappears, and it looks like all three are going to go negative. But I got a very fast green bar here, and so the market is still confused. And this is so typical of crude. It will bounce between these levels up and down several times before it decides on which way to go, as it did in this example from February 3rd. So I sit and wait for a confluence. It looks like it might be fading and going into a breakout instead of the reversal. But now I've got opposite signals again. My momentum is picking up. And let's see if I can get cumulative delta to join it. No? Yes. So I've got all three signals. I'm going to put a buy stop in and see if this takes. And it looks like it looks like it's turning around. But the market comes back. The candles have not closed. So now I have the doji here too. The market is so confused, but the cumulative delta holds. So this is where I would really kick up my entry position size and have more confidence in this trade, because here, this is what matters. Here's the buyers hitting their market orders coming in to the market. And eventually this trade takes off. This trade took forever.
Order filled.
But it does take off, and it was a big winner. And this is what I was doing Friday. I was just cleaning the clocks up with this at support resistance using
Possible
momentum and cumulative delta and auction market theory. So there you go. that's what I was doing. I'm not recommending it as a system for anyone. I just thought I would share it. Thank you.